30 before the arrival of the former president. And then I had the occasion to see General Marbil, and he said that when he arrives and is brought to either Rame or Villamor, he said that as counsel, I am entitled to escort the former president. Eh, dumating si former president Duterte, hindi man lang ako hindi man lang pinakita sa akin. Hindi ako sinama sa poster kung saan sa sinikay, including Senator Bongo, hindi pinasama. Hindi ba maano yun? Violation of his rights.
Sir, may ano na tayo? Meron na tayong information kung papunta na dito si Vicky Sara?
I have no information.
Sir, sorry, ulitin ko lang para lang malinaw. Sinong general yung nagsabi sa inyo na gagawin?
General Monteagudo.
From ano ka, sir?
Siya ang military assistant, former military assistant ni President Duterte.
Today, sir, today na siya.
Former president. This? I don't know. I've not seen him. I've not seen him. I've not seen the fact of arrest. I've not seen him personally since his arrival. As counsel, I was deprived of seeing my client. Well, I was informed that he's inside, but I'm not even sure kasi we don't know. Unless I see it with my own eyes, I can confirm na dandyan siya, pero I was only told that he's there.
Sir, walang oras na binigay kailan daw dadalhin sa ospital?
Wala.
Ano yun, sir? Check up lang?
Walang
basta dadalhin?
From the government side, I don't get any information.
How do you feel about this, sir? Kasi legal counsel ko ba yan?
Well, I feel that he's being deprived of his legal rights. Even as former president, huwag mo nang pansinin yun, basta tao, Pilipino, you are entitled to all the constitutional rights as provided by our Constitution. Bakit ayaw nila pamit sa akin? Takot ba sila sa akin? Bakit? Takot ba sila? Why can they not allow me to escort the former president? What can I do? Itatakas ko siya. Yun ang hindi ko maintindihan eh. They are so insecure. Nandiyan ba nga si General Torre? Meron siyang siguro 3,000 pulis dyan. Bakit takot sila? Nag-iisa ako. Kasama ko lang si Senator Bongo. What can we do? But they have to observe the proper treatment of a person who is being arrested.
Sir, yung general na nag-message sa inyo na dadalhin sa ospital ang Pangulo, kasama niya ngayon sa loob?
Yun ang hindi ko alam.
Saan daw, sir, galing yung information?
Ewan ko.
Secretary, may remedy ba just in case na ilipad nila bigla sa labas ng bansa si PRRD?
As I said, kung hindi namin nakikita ang legal basis for all the acts against the former president, everything I presume are all illegal.
Sir, hindi ka rin pinapapasok sa
Hindi
Denial Council yan?
Hindi nga. Bakit? Takot ba sila sa amin? Takot ba sila sa amin?
Sir, mainit. Sir, kung tayo sa rin.
Pero sir, tawag na doon, sino kasama ni PRRD sa concern?
Ang alam ko for a fact is si former Executive Secretary Bimbo Medjadea kasi kasama niyang dumaging.
Kayo sir, kada namin nasa loob, hindi pa kayo nandun.
Hindi nga ako pinapasok eh.
Pero sino magiging legal team niya sir? Nag-itas kayo po?
Well, I am one of his counsel. Marami naman kami. Nandiyan si Atty. Martin Delgra, nandiyan si Atty. Fred Lim, nandiyan si sino pa nandiyan? Marami. Nandiyan si Juan, si Art Tugade, our former DOT.
Pero sir, nakikipag-negotiate ba kayo ngayon with ICC or with the Interpol or ganun po?
Wala nga kami nakakausap sa kanila eh. Wala kami nakakausap sa kanila. The only time I had occasion to talk to them was when I was talking with General Marbil and Ambassador Lacalinaw ng Interpol. Sabi niya sa akin, may warrant ako rin. Saan? Hindi, walang pinakita eh. Kung meron, ito warrant ako rin. Wala na sa akong question. I would have questioned it kasi nandiyan na eh. Pero wala.
Are you trying to get President Duterte out? Are you trying to get him dali lang?
Well, kung wala silang warrant ako rin, dapat palabasin.
Pero sir, nabasahan na po si former President Duterte ng Miranda rights sa loob.
Nang?
Miranda rights.
Sino nagagawa?
Si General Torre po ang nagbasa.
That is out of the legal process yan. The first thing is when you arrest somebody, you must have a warrant for his arrest. You cannot arrest anybody without a warrant. Unless he's in the act of killing somebody, you can arrest him. Pero dito meron mo siyang pinapatay.
But you confirm, sir, na nabasahan siya ng Miranda rights?
I don't know, I cannot confirm that. Wala silang sinasabi, wala silang pinapakita. Oo, bakit yung warrant of arrest, kung talagang meron silang warrant of arrest, video rin yun.
Ayun na, galawan ni Torre.
Kakalain yung mga kababayan kami, cellphone lang dala namin, kailangan ganyan.
Bante tayo.
Walang problema yun.
Hindi mo, akala mo kung sinong lulusot, no?
Sino bang lulusot?
Ano ba na dyan? Sige.